तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द वेरी बेसिक्स, और मतलब अगर आपने पहले किसी ने, because many of the students they are not comfortable with all these mathematics numbers and quantitative aptitude part. अगर पहले आपका कुछ भी ऐसा क्राइटेरिया है that you feel that this is something which is very difficult or you find it very difficult to manage all these questions, so we are going to start with the very basic. What I require you to just know addition, multiplication, minus and division. That's it. अगर इतना आता है that is more than sufficient. बाकी सब हम करेंगे, ठीक है. तो if at any point you are getting uncomfortable, आपको लग रहा है कि कोई चीज समझ नहीं आ रही, you can point me out. Okay. So let's start with the very basic, that is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? So we can say the prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. Okay, like if I say 5 have only two factors, 1 and 5. या आप ऐसा कह लो कि 5 किसी के टेबल पे नहीं आता, ठीक है. 5 इज नॉट लाइक 7 भी किसी के टेबल पे नहीं आता. 11, 19, 113, all these are prime numbers. You know this? Prime numbers are numbers which have only two factors. जो किसी के टेबल पे नहीं आता है, ये हम अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए समझ सकते हैं, बट प्रैक्टिकली ये ट्रू नहीं है. लाइक इफ आई से, जैसे मैं आपसे पूछूं 6 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. No, 6 is not a prime number. 1 is a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 1 किसी के टेबल पे नहीं आता है, but 1 has no two factors. It has only one factor, 1 itself. Okay. So those numbers which have two factors, 1 and the number itself, that is called a prime number. A number n is a prime number if it has only two factors. कौन कौन से दो फैक्टर होंगे? एक तो 1 and the number itself. Okay. So we can say these are the prime numbers. So if I say, let's write down all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. लिख लोगे आप? चलो ट्राई करो. 1 से 100 पे फटाफट प्राइम नंबर लिखो. ट्राई दिस. So they will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. ठीक है. So we can say that in total we have 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. If I write down all the prime numbers from 1 to 100, we will get 25 prime numbers. And even if I need to write down prime numbers from 100 to 150 also, okay, let's write down these also. They will be 101, 103, 107, 109, 113, 127, 131, 137, 139 and 140. So we can say that in total from 1 to 150 we have 35 prime numbers. From 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 50 we have 15 prime numbers, and from 1 to 25 we have 9 prime numbers. Okay. If I write down all the prime numbers from 1 to 150, we have in total 35 prime numbers from 1 to 150. From 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 50 we have 15 prime numbers, and from 1 to 25 we have 9 prime numbers in all. And those numbers which are, what are composite numbers? We can say the numbers which are not prime, they are composite. Yes or no? Why? Because 1 is the exception. 1 is a number which is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So if I say how many numbers are there between 1 to 100 which are prime? Prime numbers from 1 to 100. How many numbers are there? Prime numbers from 1 to 100. 25. And if I say how many composite numbers are there? 74. Okay, so these are the key points, and we always see the question based on these, that 75 is not correct, 74 is correct.